Green public procurement, or sustainable procurement, is a process whereby public organisations meet their needs for goods, services, works and utilities in a way that achieves value for money on a whole life cycle basis. This means generating benefits not only to the organisation, but also to society and the economy, while significantly reducing negative impacts on the environment. Spending, which accounts for an average of 12% of GDP in OECD countries and up to 30% in developing countries, wields enormous purchasing power. Shifting that spend towards more sustainable goods and services can help drive markets in the direction of innovation and sustainability, thereby accelerating the transition to a circular economy. In using green public procurement, governments can lead by example, deliver key policy objectives and send strong market signals. Green procurement allows governments to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, improve resource efficiency and support recycling. In addition, positive social results, including poverty reduction, improved equity and respect for core labour standards, can be realised. From an economic perspective, green public procurement can generate income, reduce costs, support the transfer of skills and technology, and promote innovation by domestic producers. Beginning with the Marrakesh process, there have been a wide range of global and European policy initiatives to support the uptake and implementation of sustainable or green procurement. These initiatives require organisations to act to eliminate environmentally damaging products and support the development of new solutions and innovative business models. The public sector can challenge the market to respond to sustainability, which in turn will make the businesses more resilient and efficient. Experience and learning must be shared and organisations encouraged to collaborate, with evidence of benefits clearly demonstrated. Sustainable procurement can encourage and deliver the redesign of products, ensuring they take full account of the product life cycle, including impacts during use and at the end of first life. It can also include specifications for the use of recycled materials, reducing the carbon impact of products procured and driving markets for recycled content. Products can become more efficient during production, making more from less, encouraging reductions in materials and energy use. Product redesign may also incorporate aspects of longevity and opportunities to reuse and repair products rather than designing for short-term obsolescence. Products should be designed to enable recycling, getting rid of difficult formats, and be clearly labelled so consumers and customers are clear about routes for recycling and disposal. The provision of adequate recycling infrastructure is critical to ensure materials are collected efficiently from the home, workplace, or on the go. End markets are also crucial in ensuring there is value in recycling, with clear and reliable end markets available for the materials collected. This will encourage investment in homegrown reprocessing capacity, where quality materials can be delivered to meet manufacturers' requirements. The following slides give examples from across the EU of green procurement in practice. Different strategies have been adopted and vary according to the sector and circumstances. Opportunities in food and catering include activities to reduce waste generation, including improvements in storage and preparation, achieving reductions in plate waste, exploring options to reuse, recycle or compost wastes, and to contribute to improved nutrition and healthy diets. As part of the EU Life InnoCat project, the City of Ghent issued specifications for public sector catering to include the inclusion of organic and locally sourced seasonal products, with a view to reducing food waste. Evidence of calorie and healthy portion control was also specified. As part of the same InnoCat project, the City of Turin focused on creating healthy menus for schools, including meat-free days, which also include locally sourced and seasonally produced food with the aim of reducing waste in the food supply chain. The city of Copenhagen also looked at local sourcing in order to reduce wastage in the food supply chain. This included using schools and public spaces to grow local produce to be used by the caterers. For example, beehives on public buildings producing honey for local schools and kindergartens. The Netherlands tendered their first circular food contract in 2018. The criteria included enabling food waste to be monitored in order to minimise food waste and better manage unavoidable waste through composting. In construction, opportunities can be realised to design for deconstruction or end of life, encouraging the use of recycled materials such as aggregates, and achieving carbon dioxide emission reductions during construction and in the building use phase. Encouraging opportunities to reuse materials and furnishing during refurbishment and maintenance can also lead to significant cost reductions in materials and a reduction in materials sent to landfill. In Brummen in the Netherlands, this small municipality required short-term accommodation for 150 staff, knowing that they would be merging with a neighbouring municipality over the next 20 years. The extension to the City Hall was therefore tendered as a fully circular project, with the option to lease the premises and the requirement that all building components and materials would be 100% reusable at the end of first life. This influenced design choices, and although the final decision later was made to purchase the extension to the building, the materials bank is fully circular in line with the specification. This UK example linked the construction and operation phases through the implementation of building information modelling in the design, commissioning and operation of the UK's America's Cup team. Building information modelling offers the real potential to link the use phase, where the most energy is consumed, to the design of the initial building. It also allows for real-time monitoring and reporting of performance in use. In the Viaduct de Mallard, France, the design and construction of the iconic viaduct represents an example of product servitisation, in that it links the funding of the project to the building and operation. From a circular perspective, this provides opportunities to ensure the design elements support the closing of material loops and helps to optimise utilisation. In this example, the builder is also the funder and the operator, so any benefits or flaws remain with the company concerned. In the following examples, Cambridge University NHS Foundation Trust were preparing to tender a contract for the supply of pressure therapy mattresses and cushions. Options to lease or make use of a managed service contract offered a circular economy solution. Using a hybrid mattress model, the project delivered estimated cost savings of over £200,000 and reduced the number of mattresses required. In addition, the exercise generated annual savings of over 5,000 nursing hours and an estimated 4.5 tonnes of waste per annum diverted from landfill. ProRail is the Dutch rail operations agency, who had the ambition of furnishing its new operations centre in Utrecht with fully circular furniture and carpets. A tender was let and awarded in 2016 that included cradle-to-cradle furniture and recycled carpets. Service management components such as carpet cleaning were also embedded in the tender to provide a product service arrangement. In Sweden, a servitised furniture offering by one Swedish manufacturer created a more circular business model that addressed falling demand for storage and office furniture due to digitisation and better utilisation of office space, with encouraged flexi-working and hot desking. A service and lease option model enabled a closer ongoing partnership with customers rather than waiting 5 years for another tender. Leasing and maintenance enabled repair and remanufacturing, as well as auditable recycling of materials at the end of functional life. A significant proportion of waste is created through a lack of detailed asset management, understanding the assets available and their condition. As part of RAP's facilities management programme, a mobile asset management tool was developed that enables effective asset management, keeping track of residual value and supporting maintenance schedules. In London, the Sweet Group were able to use the tool to prolong product lifetimes, saving 66 tonnes of carbon dioxide emissions. In this Public Health Wales example, a contract was developed to furnish new office accommodation for 500 staff, making use of as much as the existing furniture to refurbish or remanufacture items and to source new items, including carpets, from reused sources. The contract was delivered via a consortia of regional furniture manufacturer, a design and remanufacturing company, and a third sector organisation, providing both environmental and social benefits in delivery. During the project, 1,143 items of furniture were reused and 1,270 items were remanufactured. 41 tonnes of potential waste was diverted from landfill and 134 tonnes of carbon dioxide emissions were avoided. The examples given illustrate the wide range of initiatives possible for sustainable procurement, and that with strong commitment from the organisation and collaboration across the supply chain, a wide range of benefits can be realised. For more information about sustainable procurement, please use the contact details shown on this final slide.